In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make bookmarks double-sided in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, aligned front and back bookmark ready to print and cut at home. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design using custom size. For a standard bookmark, enter 2 by 8 inches, or 6.3 by 21 centimeters if you prefer metric. This gives you a tall, slim canvas that prints well without wasting paper. Before designing, turn on rulers and grids. You'll find these under the File menu. These guides make it much easier to keep everything centered and consistent, and they help prevent anything important from ending up too close to the edge. Now design the front, which will be page 1. Add your background color or image, then place your text, illustrations, or decorative elements. Keep your main content centered, and leave a little breathing room near the edges so nothing looks cramped once it's printed and cut. Think of this page as your template. The alignment and spacing you set here will guide the back side, too. If you're using photos or patterns, make sure they extend fully across the canvas so you don't get unintended white lines at the edges. Next, create the back by clicking Add Page. This gives you a blank page too that shares the exact same dimensions. Design the back of your bookmark here. It can be a coordinating design, a simple pattern, or a quote. The key is to keep the size and central alignment consistent with the first page. If you use center alignment on the front, mirror that here. This helps the two sides line up when printed. Avoid placing crucial details right at the top or bottom. Keeping important elements a bit inward makes cutting more forgiving. When you're happy with both sides, it's time to download. Click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print for the best quality. This format preserves crisp text and sharp lines, which makes a big difference on small items like bookmarks. Save the file to a location you can easily find. Open the downloaded PDF in your PDF reader, go to File, then Print. Select your printer, turn on double-sided or two-sided printing, and most importantly, choose Flip on short edge. This setting ensures the back is oriented correctly relative to the front on a tall bookmark. If you pick the long edge by mistake, one side may print upside down. Finally, cut out your bookmarks using the edges of your design as guides. A paper trimmer or a craft knife with a metal ruler will give you the cleanest edges, but scissors work too. Take your time for straight cuts and a professional finish. Thanks for watching.